Hi guys, welcome back to Baking in Style. So today we're going to be testing out Russian piping tips. I've been wanting to do this for a long time, so let's get started. Okay, so the first tip that we're going to use, I think, is going to be this one. It's a really tiny one, but it has a very interesting design. So, and I have no idea what it does. Let's see. Again, these are my first time using any of these tips, so let's see what this does. Oh wait, what? Maybe a ruffle? That's interesting. It's here. Look. That's interesting. Okay. That's very interesting. Okay, which one should we do now? They're like a typical flower, I guess. So let's see. Oh wait. Okay. Ooh, that kind of looks cool once you air both. Let's see. Oh, that looks cool once you Okay. I mean, I think this was the best one because it looked really good. That was when I got the hang of it, but I think the Buttercream just had to be a little bit harder for this one. Let's do this one. I did a two-tone one on this. So I'm just gonna get that all set up. I'll be right back. So let's just see how this one turns out. Okay. Is this the one where there's oh, it's not, okay. Oh, that looks pretty good. That's pretty. These are nice floral colors. That's so pretty. Wait, I got oh my gosh! It's really, you gotta go really fast. Oh my god, I should do a video for cupcakes. Like this. Oh. So as you can see, when you mess up, it'll look like that. When it does really good, it'll look like one of these. The two-tone was such a good idea. I should do it when it's in the middle or something. That also looked really pretty, but not pretty. Okay. Now, I think we should do this one. It's very detailed, but also I think it'll give a more simpler look. Let's see. Oh wait, I think you gotta press not super hard. Wait, this is weird. Okay, so I think this one was so it's this one. I think it'll be really cool. It would have been cool if I did some yellow or pink right in that middle area, like I did with the let's see, which one was it? I did with this one, but just not exactly. So oh my god, it would have been so cute with yellow in it. Let's see, you gotta not go too fast. See, I think that one was the best, my first one. Now, I found this really weird one. It was this. I don't know what it's supposed to do, but you could I think on top of a cupcake you could go like that. Oh wow. I think, yeah. I think it's for on the top of a cupcake. Oh my god, that would have been a good Halloween one though. A brain kind of. That looks so cool though. It's it could be a Halloween-y type. like also like really like formal too, kind of. I mean, it's interesting, and you should like get thicker buttercream, but it looks really good though. I think this one was my favorite, like out of the ones that I just did here. But okay, so as I said, snowflake. Let's see. So I don't think. I think I just jinxed it before I said something. I was gonna be like, I don't think this one's gonna be too hard. Okay. This is weird looking. Let's see. If you could see those, let's see. Oh, I thought it would turn out like a snowflake. Okay, so as I said, we would do this one. So let's try it out. This one looks like a really, like, it's interesting. Let's see. Oh, you can see what it kind of does at the bottom. Okay, these are weird. Is it like? Okay, what did I do for that one? I don't remember. Let's see. Oh yeah, I just did it really quick. Oh my god, that looks so good, actually. Okay, now we have room for this one. Okay, this one looks really good. I did a two-tone like a different way so it would be more like defined, I guess. But I don't know. I'll be right back to get this set up. Okay, so this is looking super good. Now, let's see. Right here. Oh, wait. Is this one you guys? I don't know. Wait. Okay, I'm getting the hang of this a little bit. Little by little. Let's just all of those and the mess right there of all of them. So yeah, that one was my favorite. Good. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys next time. Bye!